Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. My name is Bryan Granse, and you're here to see the personal project I have here, which is the content hover reveal. And previously, we created this one in Oxygen Builder, which is this one. But I guess there's a difference of implementation with this, so I decided to create another tutorial dedicated for Elementor page builder users. So um, this is the CSS and the JavaScript source code and also the output. So this is just a simple content reveal. You can use this one to any content. Let's say you want to display a video or graphics or something, then you can use this one. So this effect is a custom CSS and JavaScript, but the elements here, as you can see, we have this div container and so on. So here we have the master container, titles, and the container of testimonial, which is the name of a person, and content here, which is by default hidden because we already added the code here. So if you are going to remove that one, and this is how it looks. Okay, but when you have this code here, save, okay, you will see that we have a nice looking animation with smooth fade effect. Okay, so we have a full tutorial about this one in our Kazukiyan YouTube channel. So by the way, guys, for those new to this channel, Kazukiyan is my full tutorial channel, and this Bryan Granse Dev YouTube channel is my portfolio and showcasing my personal projects and other projects that I have. So if you want to learn how to implement this one, then you can search Kazukiyan and look for the tutorial. So by the way, some of my premium tutorial is for members only and are in Kazukiyan. So you can join that one to get the source code. And thank you and see you in the next video. Hope you like it. Bye for now.